Today we're diving into the world of canonical tags, a powerful tool in the realm of digital marketing that often flies under the radar. So if you're new to the concept, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's unpack everything you need to know about canonical tags. What are canonical tags? Think of canonical tags as little snippets of HTML code that come to the rescue when you have duplicate or similar content on your website that you want to keep but don't want to be penalized for. Originally designed to tackle duplicate content issues, canonical tags have evolved into much more. They essentially specify the original version of duplicated content, signaling to search engines like Google that despite having similar content across different URLs, you're not trying to game the system. Let's break it down further. What does a tag look like? Now that we know what they are, let's talk about what they look like. A canonical tag is a line of HTML code that typically appears like this. Breaking it down, the rel equals canonical part indicates the original page, while the href attribute specifies the URL of the original page. It's essentially telling search engines, hey, this is the primary source of this content. Why are they important? Well, simply put, if your website has duplicate or similar content, they're crucial. Ignoring canonical tags is like asking Google to give you the cold shoulder. By using canonical tags, you're playing by the rules and ensuring your site doesn't get penalized for duplicate content. How to use canonical tags? Now, how do you actually use canonical tags? It's pretty straightforward. Whenever you have duplicate or similar content, slap a canonical tag on the page pointing to the original source. Let me illustrate with an example. Let's say you're an e-commerce sports store and you're having a promotion and you've created pages dedicated to the products within the sale. So the items on the sale exist on separate URLs but will have similar or duplicate content to their original non-sales pages. Your two URLs would look like this. Original URL, sale-related URL. By adding your canonical tag, that would look like this. Search engines will be able to scan your content on both pages, detect the tag, and in turn, not penalize your site's rankings. Do's and don'ts of canonical tags. Before you go tag happy, there are a few do's and don'ts to keep in mind. For instance, always use lowercase URLs. This avoids Google potentially viewing uppercase and lowercase as two separate URLs. And always ensure that you're using the correct domain. By this, we mean including the HTTPS in the URL and not HTTP. And whatever you do, don't use more than one canonical tag on a single page. It's a bit of a recipe for disaster. Google will probably ignore both, crawl the pages anyway, and penalize you. All of that work for nothing. Finally, don't use incomplete URLs. Like the examples we've shown throughout, put the full page URL in the tag. In conclusion, canonical tags might seem daunting at first, but once you've got the grasp of the basics, you'll wonder how you ever manage without them. Remember, they're your ticket to playing nice with search engines and ensuring your content gets the recognition it deserves. But that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe for more search engine marketing best practices.